Introducing the early access of the Grab extension. This is currently built for the Chrome. So this is a Chrome extension which I am showing you. So the basic feature of the extensions are it's grab the LinkedIn data and show in the extension, and you can copy that data. So you can see I had copied this data and pasted here. Likewise, I copy the phone number, pasted here. So we can copy the data. Also, this extension can switch its position. So you can see left to right, right to left. So position can be switched, and currently it's not get complete data. So basically it's page the user position, email and phone number, and his experience where the users was work before, like you see here Austin India, freelancing, Recruit CRM, Mulika Infotech. So he work currently I had working on the position and the experience, number of the years experience part. So this is early extension. So gonna show this only, and same it's for education. For the education, you can see that the master degree at Raisuni College, bachelor degree at Raisuni, and diploma at Kusro Idea. So this is how it's showing the education and also the skill set of the user. Apart from that, currently we have supported the LinkedIn resume download functionality. So you can download the users resume in PDF format, and we're gonna build our own resume format as well, which is directly generated from the extension, and create the PDF of it. No need of server or anything else. And yeah, these are the basic feature, and also the advanced feature is we can post the data to the custom API. So let's see if you have any kind of CRM, any CRM. There is no specific. So vast variety of CRM we have. Just for the testing, I'm showing using this test webhook test file test site. So you can see. So let's say you are posting a GET request, and you want to post the email to the server, and as well as with the email you want to post the phone number. Okay, so these are the extensions keys, and these are the your servers keys, so you need to modify accordingly. And when I click on send, it sends data to the server. So you can see here email and phone number. See, similarly, you can create the post request. It's kind of technical stuff. So basically, you don't need to. Once you understand, you'll understand for a while. And another is a put request. See, okay. So you can see only all three type of request is supported currently. And in future, we're gonna build our own cold email platform. So in future, it will also support that platform by default. Okay, so yeah, let me show you the if you want to fetch someone else profile, just go, let's see Vikas Wagmare, and yeah, see it's automatically generated his resume. Okay, let me overwrite the current one which I have. Okay, see here Vikas Wagmare, uh, his experience, his education, his skill sets. Yeah, also you can post his data. Let's see. Yeah, see here Vikas Wagmare, and let's show you another user. So you can see, let's say Rushikesh Patil. Okay, like similarly it's fetched all his data, see his education, skill sets. And if we I refresh the page, see, if I refresh the page till I get the data of user. So it's always continue, and it's always working in a backend, even if the extension is hidden. So you can see it's showing the partially because I want to show you that extension is here, but it's hidden. So when I click on icon, it shows. And yeah, that's it. So hope you will like this, and will suggest me the changes in it, so I can continue my working. And yeah, thank you.